Hello, hi and namaste to all. Here I am Dharatri Behra of Standard 9 from JNV means Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Surangi Ganjam. Here I made one English model on the topic parts of speech. See, this is my model which is parts of speech. So we all know that in the parts of speech there are 8 categories. The first one is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and last one is interjection. So before starting it, I want to tell that in English sentence the first thing was parts of speech. If we not clear in this topic, then our English means we cannot learn English sentence properly. Okay, leave. So first come to the noun. So here the noun is a word used to indicate a person, thing, place or idea. So examples are Ram, which is a person, Dubai, which is a place, or toy, which is a thing. Basically, there are 5 types of noun. Okay, I want to tell you that in my model, I have not mentioned any types of division. Actually, this model is for small students like class 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Okay, come to the next, pronoun. So, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Give an example of noun. Ram is a good boy. Here the Ram is noun. So here pronoun says that it is a word that takes the place of a noun. So in the noun Ram is a good boy, and here instead of Ram he is used. So he is a good boy. Pronoun can do all of the things that noun can do. Yes, it is true. Because Ram is a good boy, so he is a good boy. So two are same, but the word only changes. Okay, come to the next, adjective. So an adjective is a word which describes, identifies or further defines nouns and pronouns. Example, cruel, big, small, tasty, small, etc. Actually, adjective says only the character and quality of noun and pronoun. Like Ram is a good boy. Here is the good is the character of Ram. So adjective is only defines the quality and character of noun and pronoun in the sentence. So next is verb. A verb is a word used to describe an action, state or occurrence. Example, jump, sit, playing, sleeping, etc. Okay, see, the verb is nothing but the work that we are doing or we have done or we will do. It is the working word only. Okay, the next is adverb. An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. It qualifies or modifies a verb. Example, quickly, softly, generally, etc. Actually, adverb is nothing. It only defines the noun. Defines the verb. He ran quickly. Means here the adverb is quickly. Now, next one is preposition. So, a preposition is a word which is used after nouns and pronouns, describing a relationship between the noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. Example, of, in, on, at, about, upon, after, etc. So let's take an example. The cat is in the tree. The cat is in the tree. Here, in is the preposition, which is joined the cat and tree, and it used after the noun. The noun is cat here, so the cat is in the tree. Okay, Now come to the next, conjunction. So a conjunction is a word that is used for joining other words, phrases or sentences. Example, in, but, or, as, until, yet, etc. Okay, let's take an example of conjunction. Ram and Shyam are good friends. Ram and Shyam are good friends. So here and is the conjunction, which is joined to other words. Ram and Shyam. Here the conjunction join and. So here and is the conjunction. Okay. Now the last one is interjection. So an interjection is a word or phrase that is used to express surprise, pain, pleasure, etc. Example, oh, hurry, go, hey, etc. So let's take an example. Oh, what a big snake. Oh, what a big snake. Means here the person is surprisingly says that, whoa, what a big snake. So interjection is nothing but the the reactions we are doing. Okay. The purpose of this model is to give idea to the small students like class 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So as you all see that this is an interesting model because students can close it, open it, close it. So it is a funny way to learn parts of speech for the students. So at last, but not the least, I think this model will help for the students and they can understand it very carefully and easily. So thank you.
Namaste, this is Sri Subhakshi from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Ganjam. I am in class 9 and I made a model on literary devices. And the literary devices are techniques and or tools used by the writers to create a pointed and deeper effect in the writing. So also it is helpful for readers to understand better. This is the model, and there are so many literary devices, and I wrote 6 literary devices. So the first one is personification, which means it is a figure of speech which signifies or treats any abstract or non-living as a living in literature. Then we turn this arrow. Then alliteration, which means the repetition of a consonant sound at the start of 2 or more consecutive words. And then oxymoron, it is a figure of speech in which contradictory term appears. For example, open secret. Then simile, which means it is a figure of speech that used as and like for comparison between one thing to another. And then metaphor, it is a figure of speech used for direct comparison between two things, whether it is living or not. And then hyperbole, it is a Greek word meaning overcasting, the use of exaggeration to lay emphasis. And then it is done. So the purpose of this model is to read in a funny or interesting manner, so that it will not be boring for students. And thank you for watching.
Hello, Namaste to all. I am Asita Raniver from class 9 of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Surangi Ganjam. I made a model on English on the topic alphabets. Here it is my model on alphabet activities that attracts the kids and helps them to learn and remember alphabets easily. It helps in increasing their imagination power and increasing their interest in art and craft. It is very useful to kids as it helps them to increase their interest towards learning alphabets. I want to show some alphabets such A for angel, B for deer, C for cat, D for dog, E for eagle, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for horse, I for insect, and so on.